this evening at 9:30, we were told that CID are at the gate. And so they were asked what they want. They said they just want me. Say, what is it about? Can they see a lawyer? They said no. They got in and they opened the gate, and they surrounded the compound. Many of them dressed in the way they used to dress when there was massive COVID, disguised from head to toe in white clothing and assault rifles. And all they are telling my lawyers, two lawyers have arrived, is that they want me to go to CID to write a statement. That is something that just takes a small summons, and I would have been there. We don't know a statement for what, and that really doesn't matter. I don't think this is the way to come at me, no matter what it is. So I tend to believe that it has a lot to do with what I said over the weekend, and maybe they have information of the kind of campaign I intend to launch. One wonders why there would be this sort of force. Over what reason? I have never committed a crime. So, this has been there in the past. They very clearly tried this in 2017, and they failed. They failed completely, and anything they tried to take to court was overthrown and overturned. It was total rubbish cases. And it's the same sort of game where they are trying to intimidate me. Unfortunately, I'm not that kind of person. And if some people are uncomfortable with my politics, I believe Kenyans have every right to know the truth, and we shall continue to speak the truth. And we are not going to be deterred by anyone or any intimidation. Fortunately, in this day and age, when we have a solid constitution that guarantees many of our rights, that continually you're seeing impunity of the highest level. I am fortunate to be able to talk to you. Many Kenyans, as you have covered in the papers, have disappeared. Nobody knows where they are. Many Kenyans have seen injustices of untold proportion, and nothing is happening. And it is very unfortunate at this time that you would think that I, a presidential candidate, you would get to the extent of doing this. Why are they so uncomfortable with my candidature? Why? What is the problem? During this campaign, no. This is just similar to what happened in 2017 when they raided my home and they tried to get me on a highway just after swearing in. And now it is happening again when politics is on.